guys. Thank you so much for your support. I am so proud. Now tell me how it is. You have
It's really good. It's moist. I'm here to support my cousin Natalie. It's in treats by Natalie. She got her dog.
Welcome to Natalie. Treats.
Oh, thank you.
So much.
We've been safe. Thank you.
All right.
Thank you. Oh, go nuts. Okay, let me go get you. Go nuts. Yay. Oh, yeah, this is TV personality. Yeah.
Listen, I drove way from Lakeland all the way to Bartow, okay, just to come and support Natalie and to support Darius, all right? So, I cannot wait. I've heard so much about them. Listen, I am even on a diet, and I came to get me some, okay? Now, I did a half a dozen, and I'm going to eat a half a dozen and call it a day. So, y'all come check her out, all right? Sweets and Treats by Natalie. I'm gonna get ginger wasted right now.
Okay.
She's gonna get ginger wasted. I'm gonna get ginger wasted.
Natalie just told me.
Welcome to Sweets and Treats by Natalie. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, everywhere. And treats, and you can call me at 813-618-3996.
Hey, Natalie.
Yes.
Can I Cash App if I want to pay with Cash App?
Of course, it's $Tweety T WEET 2784. You can get a half dozen for $8 or a full dozen for $16.
Thank you.
Stay tuned for more treats to come.